What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to the second level walkthrough of Cut the Rope Fabric Box, the second box of this Cut the Rope series. And if you missed it for the first box, we went through and got a 3-star in every single level of Cardboard Box. So if you want to go ahead and do that yourself, go ahead and check the link in the top of the description, and you'll be able to see all of my level walkthroughs for Cut the Rope. Other than that though, let's just hop right into the level. It was kind of quick there, but I sliced the rope into the bubble, and I'm going to go ahead and just use the two balloons on the left and the right side to push it around, using the one on the left first to just push it into that star, and then the one on the right to push it all the way to Omnom. And like I said with this last level with the balloons, it's always tricky to try to adjust it and figure out exactly what it's trying to do. Over time, you'll get used to it, but it may just take a few tries on a level. It's not as easy as it looks. If you did have any questions though, be sure to comment them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But if you did find this walkthrough helpful today, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.